Welcome everyone. In this session, we'll learn about abstract classes and how to create these abstract classes using the ABC module available in Python. In the previous session, we learned about polymorphism, overriding, overloading, how overloading, despite not being directly available in Python, we mimic the behavior using the default variable argument methods. In today's session, we will focus on the last main concept of object-oriented programming, that is abstract classes. These classes are incomplete by design, meaning they just work as a interface, but uh, expect the derived classes to implement the details. These classes cannot be directly used. They just work as a blueprint, like how class is a blueprint to the object. Abstract classes works as a blueprint for the derived classes. So this helps us enforce a consistent structure across subclasses when we have multiple subclasses to define. We will also see that how to use the ABC module and what is the abstract method decorator. So, and what is an abstract class? So, an abstract class serves as a blueprint. It cannot be used to create objects directly. Instead, we just uh, inherit the abstract class and we define another class which will implement the required methods defined in the abstract class, and will can also customize or add on more methods to it. So let's try to see how to define the code. So uh, or before this, let me just first yeah, we'll also see this. So we have this ABC module with us. So ABC module is a part of Python standard library. So the class that you will define as an abstract class must inherit this particular ABC value. So then and then only this class that is inheriting it will be considered as an abstract class. Then whatever methods you define in the abstract class shall be used with the @abstract method that marks that this particular child method must be override, like that is a compulsion. And any kind of abstract method that is not implemented in child class will raise a type error, right? So not this, we'll have look at this later. So yes, so this ABC module, we will import ABC and abstract method from here. ABC would be used here in the abstract base class, where whatever class we define, ABC shall be passed, so that this will make an abstract base class. Then whatever this abstract method we imported shall be added here at the rate abstract method, and we write a function make sound. So this is how we define an abstract class. Now, here, as I have defined a equal to animal, what will happen is uh, you will see that can't instantiate abstract class animal with abstract method make sound, meaning abstract class cannot be instantiated, and we have to use the subclasses that implements its method. So if I say, let's say, do d equal to dog, and if I say print d dot make sound, then you can see it prints the particular sound. So this is how abstract classes cannot be like you cannot create an object from the abstract class. You always need to create a child class, and you shall have this particular function in it to like successful implementation of subclass will also happen in that case only. Otherwise, that will also raise an error. Then abstract classes are not limited to abstract methods. We can also define some methods which is called as concrete methods that comes with the like direct implementation. So this direct implementation like will be considered as, you can consider like as a abstract class attributes that acts as a utility function. So let's say in this particular function case, so here, what I had was this description. This I am returning some value. So this is not an abstract method. Now this is a concrete method. And once I defined my object S, I can call this area. Apart from calling this area, if you observe, even if I use dot description, as it was inherited from this abstract class, this description, however it functions, I will be able to use it function. So here, when I try to print this, this will also print the description that was given here, that is, this is a shape. So abstract class supports both abstract method and the general concrete class type methods as well, which can be accessed by any subclasses that you create. So just to like summarize, real world analogy of this would be the abstract method acts as a blueprint of a house. Uh, like you cannot live in a blueprint, so you create number of subclasses of it, multiple houses. Like as a building, you have it has a blueprint, and all the flats in that follow the same blueprint. So similar like that, all the particular subclasses, derived classes will follow the blueprint. That will be actually the ones where you work, and you can in the blueprint you can have particular concrete classes that the particular subclasses also use it. So this is how this particular, if you just want to connect it to a real world analogy. So to summarize, we learned about abstract classes, how to use the ABC module, and what are the abstract versus the concrete methods. In the next session, we'll explore iteration in, sorry, not iteration in Python. We are going to learn about applying the all the object-oriented programming concepts that we have learned till now. So we will see 4 to 5 different kind of exercise, and we'll try to write the code to solve all those particular exercises. So yeah, thank you for joining today's session. Let's meet in the next session. Have a nice day.